Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to share a Victoria's Secret and Pink haul with you guys. They had some really good deals that I had to take advantage of. And they also had I'm not sure because I placed this order a few days ago, but if you spend a certain amount, then you get a $20 gift card towards a $50 purchase, which will begin September 10th and end September 23rd. So I'm like, yeah, score, I will do that. So let's start with Victoria's Secret first. So I picked up this Pomegranate and Lotus Blossom body cream. It's got shea butter and coconut oil, and it's fruity and a little creamy. So I like this. This one was actually $8. Okay, and I also picked up the Victoria's Secret Pomegranate and Lotus fragrance mist, and same thing. You can smell. Yeah, it's fruity. So I like that, and I'll probably be doing a review on that as well. So those were both $8. And then I picked up the Melon Sorbet. And look how beautiful the packaging is. I just love that. It's like gradient shading with the green and the pink. And, oh, still got my little thing on there. This one is very fruity. You can smell the melon. Very like ice cream, like sorbet like. So I like that. And I also picked up the fragrance mist in that one, in the Melon Sorbet. Yep, and these were all $8. And now on to my pink. So I picked up these beauties. These hand creams are $1.98. And just look how cute the packaging is. Like, they've got the little hearts with the pink dog on the bottom. So I got Desert Palm hand cream, and yeah, it smells kind of like sweet and kind of like a green scent a little bit. And then I picked up Beach Blossom, and look how cute the packaging is. A little ice cream cone on there with polka dots. So this one doesn't want to come out. It's like, okay, now it's squirted out. That is very floral and creamy. That is a nice combination. Very moisturizing too. And then I got Coral Lotus, and it looks like that. Like confetti a little bit. And this one, yeah, it smells fruity and green. So I really like that one too. And then I picked up Pink's Warm and Cozy Sun Daze lotion. This was $3.99. I actually got the fragrance mist during the semi-annual sale. And this one is like kind of fresh and sweet. So I'll be doing a review on that now that I have the body cream. And I got Cool and Bright Sun Daze. And I love the packaging on these. It's so like little clouds and pink skies. It's just so cute and great for summer. Yeah, that one's nice too. And then I picked up a Wander Love Mist. I think this was a limited edition summer. I love the black top and the daisy on this one. So I've actually never smelled this one, I don't think. It's very like citrus sweet with a hint of floral. I like that one. I believe that one was $3.99. Yeah, that one was $3.99. And then I picked up a Pink Lemonade Mini, and this was actually $7.50. But that smells like pink lemonade. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So that's all I have for you for this video. Please comment and let me know if you've been taking advantage of some deals that they've been having going online. I don't know if they still have the sale going on in the store for the semi-annual sale, but online they have occasional markdown, so I go out there and check. And leave your comments and let me know that you stopped by, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, I'm praying that you and your families are safe and well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.